Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to download and play eFootball 2025 mobile on your PC or laptop. Now, first of all, we need a software called Mimir. The software is emulator, an Android emulator on your PC. So select the first result. Now, after these sites open up, click download. So after you download the software, install it. It's easy for install progress. Now after you install it, you can it will appear here like this form. So go to Play Store. If they show you to create an account or to enter your Gmail account, enter it, and after you enter the Gmail account, click on search and type in here eFootball like this, and select this result eFootball and scroll down, and you will find it here. Click on it and click install, and after you install the game, you can play the game like you play it on mobile. So this is a screenshot of the game. It's like mobile. So this is how to download and play eFootball 2025 mobile on your PC or laptop. Thank you for watching.